Hola! Hey guys, I looked weird, but you know your girl. So it's Sunday and I was like doing some self-love Sunday, but I'm going to wash off this mask, beat my face, get ready because we are going to a Greek fest. So yes, you're gonna need to get ready. Look at my hair, like it looks like little mupani worms, but that is not the whole thing. We can still tame this hair, but you give me like 30 minutes, right? See ya, 30 minutes. Okay, so my camera died, so I never filmed like my eye look, but what I used my eye look was the Pierce Diaries palette, and I went in with the color Epic. So I'm quickly going to zoom into my eyes so you can see my eyes. Then the mascara I used, Double Decker and Tartiest. Right now I'm going to do some powder. This is Maybelline Fit Me powder. So I'm just gonna to give me like that. Oh gosh. Okay. I'm going to go in with my blush from Model Co. Then I'm going in with my highlighter from Bigger Cosmetics. Yes, it's a no makeup look, but your girl's gotta shine. Now I'm gonna go in with the lips. I am quickly going to outline my lips with this Essence lip pencil, lip liner. So I put the lip liner all over my lips, not everywhere, but I love Ofra, so I love Ofra, so I'm gonna go in with this. Ofra's lip things, like lip glosses and matte lip glosses, are bomb. They smell bomb and they are amazing. Just saying. Now I'm just gonna go with Cover FX. Please, if you ever use this spray, shake it. Shake it. We will talk later. Like going in with this spray, with my sticky spray. Finished. So right now we are going to change, get dressed. See you in a sec. This is the final look. Oops, hold on. This is the final look. Love it. It's easy. It's a no makeup look, and your girl is about to go out. Bye.